Today, we're showing you how to add a gift card on Walgreens online account. Plus, if you want to get your Walgreens order delivered in under an hour, use DoorDash and enjoy free delivery on your first order. You'll find our exclusive link waiting for you in the description below. To start, go to the website walgreens.com and click on the account option in the upper right corner of the screen. A side tab with several options will then appear. Click on the option that says Sign In. Then, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. After entering the email and password, click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for your account at the middle part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Profile. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says Payment Methods. Here you will see your saved payment methods. Scroll down to the bottom. Then click on the option that says Add a new gift card. A pop-up tab will then appear. On the fields provided, enter your card number and CVV. If you wish to apply this gift card on your next purchase, click on the checkbox below. Then click on Save. That's how you add a gift card on your Walgreens online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.